Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video, I will teach you all about Claude AI. So here you can see the website. Simply click on the link here. Here for using this Claude AI, you have to create an account. Here in the right, you can see the samples, how it works. Here you can see that people ask different analysis to it. Here you can see that they are asking for sale funnel. You can see here the sale funnels. And here you can see similar examples, like here they are asking for code optimization. And here you can see that. Now here you can choose Google, or you can enter your personal or work email. So here I'm choosing Google. So simply click on continue with Google. Now our email has been verified. Here you have to verify your number and your age. Here for verifying your age, you have to select this option. I confirm that I'm 18-year-old, and then you have to write here your number. They will send a verification code on your number for verifying your number. Now here write the verification code that they have SMS'd you. Now after writing the verification code, your account has been created. Here you can see their free and their pro plan. Here you can see what their free plan includes, and here you can see what their pro plan include. You can also see their prices, and you can do a comparison between them, and you can then select whether you want to go with free or you want the pro one. Here I want to continue with the free one. Simply click on continue with free. Now here you can provide a name that you want this Claude AI to call you. Now here I'm writing the name. You can choose any name here, and then simply click on acknowledge and continue. Now click on sounds good. Let's begin. Now here you can see all about how this Claude AI look. Here you can see all about its uses and all that. Here you can do upgradation anytime by clicking on the upgrade option on the top. Here in choose style, you can see different styles. Here you can see the normal style, where you get normal responses, and in the concise style you can get a shorter and better response. In explanatory, you can get a deep and briefer answer, and you can also have their formal style. You can choose any from these styles here. Here in formal, you get a clear and well structured response. So for now I want to choose here the normal one. So let's go with the normal one here. Similarly, you have the model option here, where you can choose different models. Here you can see one is pro model here, and one is available for free plan. Here you also have the thinking mode, normal and extended. Normal is available for free. The extended one is available for the pro version. Here you can also upload files, and you can summarize these files. You can also upload any picture from your gallery, and also you can access their GitHub. For that, simply click on this GitHub logo. Here you can access their GitHub, and you can sign in with their GitHub. Now let's test this Claude AI. Now I'm gonna ask question to this Claude AI. So here I'm asking about the weather. What is the weather in USA? Here this Claude AI don't have any access to real-time weather data, so here let's try something else. Now here I'm asking a science question about kidney transplantation modification that happened in the science. Here you can see the answer, and the answer is really deep and modified. Here you can see all about the transplantation. Now here I'm asking this Claude AI to generate an image for me. This Claude AI can only create SVG illustration images. Here you can see that. Now here I'm testing their explanatory style, and here I'm asking about the latest update in AI models. Here you can see that this Claude AI provides us good information, but this information is cut off since October 2024, so you can't find any data information now in this Claude AI. Here you can see all about this Claude AI. Here you can see the answer, and you can see all the model here. Here the answer is good, but the information is not updated since October 2024, so here you can't find any current information. Now here I'm asking the same question in the normal style to text their explanatory and the normal style. Here I'm asking the same question but in the normal style this time. Here you can see how it turned out in the normal one, and here you can see how it was in the explanatory. You can see it was more longer than this and more briefer than in the normal one. Here you can compare both these answers. And that was it about how you can use this Claude AI. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.